Vybz Kartel denied bail. Please make sure on a like, share, comment, and subscribe. As you know, this is a case that we have been following for some time. So may I just keep you updated about what going on the case. And please drop your comments about how you think about this decision. So obviously everything is alleged or allegedly, but the Jamaica Observer are reporting that Vybz Kartel has been denied bail following an application for habeas corpus, a bail application by attorneys. Now, the decision was handed down by somebody known as Supreme Court Justice Andrea Thomas, who handed down a ruling just before the article produced, denying the applicants the opportunity for have a bail in the absence of a verdict or acquittal by the Privy Council. The view of Ms. Thomas, Andrea Thomas, is that the charge of murder remains in effect. What she says, in view of the fact that their appeal is not yet determined, they should remain in custody until their appeal is concluded. That is until a verdict of acquittal is entered or there is a decision for a retrial. So, members of the prosecution and defense had on Wednesday made arguments for a habeas corpus, which is essentially a bail application, which would have decided whether the artist would have been freed or not. Now, the application had been filed, I believe, say on Monday, May the 14th, but the reason for the application had not been disclosed by the defense. And as people will be aware, on the March 14th, so a long time, listen on, 3 months now, about 3 months now, the Privy Council overturned the convictions following the convictions being made for the Clive Lizard Williams murder and so on. So the case had been returned back to the Privy Council by the Jamaica Appeal Court. Now, obviously, a lot of I mean, I'll comment either here or there in relation to what me think about this, because I just information me I pass on, But obviously, the people them who support Vybz Kartel would have been happy for him to be released this summer, maybe to have a concert and so on. So, me understand there's gonna be a lot of uproar regarding this decision. But I saw it go, and it seems that for now, until the decision as to whether retrial will happen or not, that Vybz Kartel will remain incarcerated. Now, as you know, as reported on the channel before, the hearing to decide whether the retrial will take place or not is June the 10th. And me say this, just a layman perspective, usually when somebody is accused of a crime of that nature, them do normally remain behind bars. But this is a situation where they were essentially acquitted or the convictions were overturned. But it just seemed like the thing reset to our original position where you get charged with something and you wait for the court decide or to have a trial on the issue, but we're not even reached that stage because they have to decide whether a retrial is going to take place. Normally, the CPS will pursue a trial, but that is what is going on at the moment in relation to the Vybz Kartel case. As usual, everything said is alleged or allegedly. Please do your own research. We will not be held liable for anything said on this video on the channel, and the views expressed do not represent the owners of the channel and the people them on the channel. But as usually, big up on yourself. Thank you for watching. The channel is growing, as you know. Please keep updated for more news on the Vybz Kartel decision. And for now, done talking.